Whatever you are doing, you actually have a skill, a particular skill that you know how to do. Some of us can write very well. You know how to write any type of letter, you can write it. Now, some of us, you have a skill, maybe you can produce something with your hand. People that do fashion designer, you are a photographer, you can snap picture. You have a particular skill. Some of us know how to use most of these computer software things very well. Any skill that you have that you can do, that you know you are comfortable with, you can turn that skill to a digital product for you, for yourself, to make another kind of money online. That is where making money online come in. Now, what I mean by online, making money online is as easy as you going to sleep and some people are paying for you. You've actually done something, you put it online. While you are sleeping, people are buying it and they are paying you and you are getting the money. That is what we mean by digital products. And that is what the training is all about. I'm going to show you all those things you need to do. I want you to be a part of the training. If you scroll down, you're going to see a button for you. Just click to register. I want you to join the training. So go ahead and take the next step by clicking the button. It's not a matter of you are looking for a job. It's what you are going to apply yourself and you see yourself doing it. Thank you. I'll see you in the class.